The Parlor Rising Card is a stunning evolution of one of Magic's most iconic effects, the classic Rising Card. One of Magic's most powerful effects rebuilt for today's professional performer. Designed to add intrigue, mystery, and an undeniable touch of class to your acts. Perform the standard single-signed spectator's card, or amaze your audience by having 3 spectators' cards rise to their astonishment. Included is a packed masterclass of instructions that has routines for every skill level. Additional routines taught include drawing duplication, pocket reveal, and so much more. Doubles as a beautiful display piece wherever it's placed. Comes complete with everything you need to get started right away. Includes dome and base plate, cardra glass, deck of playing cards, travel safe container, remote control, super thin gimmick, charging cable, can be used with any deck. Resets instantly. No threads or filament lines to contend with. Super easy to learn. A centerpiece for your parlor magic, crafted with care, designed for maximum astonishment. This is Parlor Rising Card by Murphy's Magic.